I'm gonna clean the window. Today is my schedule for cleaning the window. I won't be able to clean yesterday here inside. That's why now I'm gonna clean it now. I need to put the still in the middle. Yes. It's hot already outside. Hard to clean. The weather is very hot. It's okay inside because the aircon is cold, but outside the balcony is very hot. It's already summer eh. By next month, it's more hotter. By June, July, very high temperature. It's too hot. It reaches 50 degrees. Now I think only 30 degrees. 30. Up to 32 or 35 degrees maybe the noon time. Try to clean this every week so that the dirt in the dust will not be very thick. It's more hard to clean it. The dirt in the dust is very thick. The aircon inside is 5 degrees. That's why I'm wearing a sweater so that I won't have colds or cough because of the cold temperature.